Did you know you can control your dreams and explore other dimensions while you sleep? It's called lucid dreaming, and I'm here to teach you how to master it. Hi, I'm Amy El-Tobgy, and I'm hosting an online dreamwork workshop on Saturday, October 19th. In this immersive experience, I'll guide you through the art of lucid dreaming, helping you unlock the full potential of your dream world. Lucid dreaming allows you to become fully aware inside your dream state, giving you the power to explore dreamscapes, face fears, and even solve real-life problems while you sleep. In the workshop, you'll learn practical techniques to start controlling your dreams and deepening your connection to your subconscious. I'll teach you proven methods like reality checks, dream journaling, and how to induce lucidity during REM sleep. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this workshop is designed to help you achieve lucid dreaming mastery. Join me for this transformative online workshop on Saturday, October 19th, and start your journey to mastering your dreams. Spots are limited, so don't miss out. To register, simply leave a comment below with your name and email, and I'll contact you with all the details. Unlock the power of your dreams and start living the life you desire, both in and out of your dreams. I'll see you there.